Hi viewers. Today I'm going to introduce you to a game-changing device that will revolutionize your daily life. The Ulefone Note 16 Pro smartphone. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with smartphones in the comments below. New design. The Ulefone Note 16 Pro rugged phone for people who work in construction, manufacturing, or other industries where they need a phone that can withstand a beating. And outdoor enthusiasts, such as hikers, campers, and hunters can appreciate it as well. With a weight of around 184 grams, the Note 16 Pro feels comfortable to hold and carry, making it suitable for everyday use. However, Ulefone Note series is of budget-friendly smartphones that offer good value with large displays, fashion colors, and long-lasting batteries. Such as expandable storage, dual SIM support and fingerprint sensors. Water drop display. The new Note 16 Pro adopts a super large 6.52-inch display in diagonal. In accordance with the increased users' demand for better streaming media experience, the screen is large enough to offer a comfortable viewing experience for watching videos, playing games or browsing the web. IPS display offers an ideal canvas for multitasking, enabling you to run multiple apps simultaneously. Furthermore, with a HD+ resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels, it provides clear and sharp images. Unisoc 8-core processor. The smartphone is equipped with a Unisoc Tiger T606 processor with a clock frequency of 12 nanometers and has 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It will allow you to run multiple apps at the same time without any lag. Combined with 256 GB of internal storage, you are going to have plenty of space to store your photos, videos, music and other files. It gives you smooth experience for browsing the web, checking email and listening to music while you're working on something else. As well as a micro SD card slot that allows users to expand the device's storage up to 328 GB. 13 Android. Note 16 Pro is a step ahead running on the latest Android 13 OS. With the Material You style, you are able to customize the look and feel of your device to match your personal style. Besides that, it provides more new privacy, secure features and faster and more efficient experience. The system now derives media controls from playback state actions instead of media style notifications. This means that users can enjoy the latest features and security updates. 50 megapixels main camera plus 2 megapixels macro. The Ulefone Note 16 Pro uses a high-definition 50 megapixels main camera and the Samsung S5 KJN1 comms sensor. This camera is capable of taking high-quality photos and videos in various lighting conditions. Large aperture of f1.8 enables sharp and clear low-light photography and videography. The 2 megapixels macro lens shoots with finest details when taking close-up photos of objects like flowers, insects and other small objects. Front camera 8 megapixels f2.0. Configured with 8 megapixels, the front module allows you to take high-quality pictures. Whenever you want to snap a selfie, make a video call or do a live webcast, to assess the power or performance of a front camera accurately, it is much clearer and more details to be seen. Large aperture of f2.0 enables sharp and clear low-light photography and videography. Supports fingerprint unlock. Side-mounted fingerprint, integrate power key and fingerprint sensor together. In this Ulefone Note 16 Pro, the power button on the device doubles as a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock the phone or authenticate certain actions by placing your finger on the power button. Instead of having a dedicated fingerprint sensor on the front or back of the Note 16 Pro, Note 16 Pro manufacturers integrate the fingerprint sensor directly into the power button. By incorporating the fingerprint sensor into the power button, you can quickly and securely unlock your phone. Face Unlock. Face Unlock is another security feature that utilizes facial recognition technology. The front-facing camera of the Note 16 Pro scans your face to create a digital map of your facial features. When you want to unlock your phone, the camera scans your face and matches it with the stored data to authenticate your identity. If the match is successful, the phone unlocks. 4,400 mAh battery. The Note 16 Pro is powered by a Li-ion 4,400 mAh non-removable battery, allowing users to enjoy long battery life on the go. Lithium-ion batteries can charge relatively quickly compared to other rechargeable battery technologies. It suggests a relatively large battery capacity, which could potentially provide longer usage time before requiring a recharge. The Note 16 Pro is equipped with the latest USB Type-C connector, providing a reliable and durable connection for charging and data transfer. Connectivity Anywhere navigation, GSM is still in use today, although many networks have switched to newer technologies such as 3G, 4G and 5G to provide enhanced data services. The Note 16 Pro is equipped with 4G capabilities, allowing users to enjoy a reliable and fast network connection for daily communication and web browsing. Equipped with a dedicated GPS receiver, the Note 16 Pro promotes outdoor activities by providing accurate location data. GPS and GLONASS navigation systems will allow you to accurately determine your location, will help not to get lost in an unfamiliar place and lay any route. Splash-proof IP68. One of the highlights of the Ulefone Note 16 Pro is its rugged design. The device has a flat-edged chassis that is built to withstand drops and shocks. It is also IP68 rated, which means that it is dustproof and waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This makes it a good choice for those who work in harsh environments or enjoy outdoor activities. The device is typically designed to withstand exposure to water, such as accidental splashes, rain, or brief submersion in water. However, it's important to note that IP68 does not guarantee complete protection in all situations. Ulefone Note 16 Pro smartphone is a good phone for the price. It gives you long battery life. Phone makes your commute easier. If you want to buy the phone, then AliExpress provides original products for you. I have listed some product reviews for you. If you want to know more, you can comment.